Good morning, good morning, good morning. I pray and I hope and I care. I hope that you are all having a wonderful day and that all is going well with you and yours. I am doing well. Thank you, subscribers, for spending time with me. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, come on and join the Gene G family. Click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video, along with the subscribe button. That's what I want you to do. And once you subscribe, comment. Let me know who you are. Why are you subscribing to my channel? I will show you some of my day because today I will have the opportunity to celebrate with a longtime friend. When I met her, I was the Career and Technology Department Chair, and she worked as a cosmetology teacher. I learned some things from her, and now she has earned her doctorate, and I look forward to celebrating with her. So you keep watching, so you will see how I spend my day. And I've decided to also incorporate into my video all in a day's work, some of what I do or the results of what I've been doing. And now my 360.
I've been throw up the sex in
The smooth stepper's getting ready.
Exactly. Ooh, it's out there, smooth steppers out there. Y'all see them, front center. Everybody looking good, looking great, looking great, looking good.
I gotta do this.
One woman just to lift me up. And I gotta at least have one woman on the side that really don't give. If you wanna go, baby, go ahead and walk out the door. But one thing that you gotta remember is one monkey don't stop no show. If you wanna go, baby,
So serious.
go ahead and walk out the door. But one thing that you gotta remember is one monkey don't stop no show. This train gon' keep on rolling.
Hey!
But I'll never be alone.
So how does it feel to have your doctorate?
Off the chain, but you don't know how to lie. You got can't.
We Everybody put your hands in the air tonight. Wave around like you just don't care. Celebrate life. We gon' have a good time tonight. Everybody on the dance floor tonight. All my ladies, let me see you get low. Celebrate life. We gon' have a good time tonight. Everybody put your hands in the air tonight. Wave around like you just don't care. Celebrate life. And the music and the vibe is